Hi everyone, welcome to the Upload Bank Statement Guide. In this guide, we're actually going to walk through how to upload your opening bank statement for your bank account into your Xoro system and basically get you started so you can start reconciling your bank account. So first thing you do is you have your chart of accounts uploaded and you have your bank uh, ready to go in the system. You've probably already created journal entries at this stage, which have brought your opening balances over from your old system to Xoro, or if you didn't have an old system, you brought them over using these opening entries. So basically, you've made these opening entries against your bank account typically. So what you do to get started on reconciliation is you're going to create one entry for this balance and make it the same date as your opening balance here. So you can see that I've made this journal entry where I've debited this bank account on 12/31/2017. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Upload Bank Statement. And just to note that this has to be done before any other transactions are reconciled in the system with a bank. You want to make sure you reconcile this opening transaction, this opening balance, because then going forward, the balances are going to match. So before you reconcile any other transaction in the system, make sure you create a kind of a transaction that matches with this amount, your opening balance amount for your bank, and then reconcile that. And then from there, you can go forward and reconcile transactions in the system. So let's go ahead. Let's go to the Upload Bank Statement module. And so first thing you can do here is just select your bank account. Now let's download your template. Okay, so I've downloaded my template. It's a pretty straightforward template. Basically just fill in the necessary fields. So I'm just going to put in date and amount. So I know this is 12/31/2017. And I know the amount is right there. So 52361.11. Okay, so I'm going to save this file and upload this this statement rather. And let's go verify and upload. Everything looks okay. Let's upload the statement and okay. So now let's go to the Reconcile module. Let's reconcile the bank account. And so what I'm going to do here is you can see that this is the page you'll see when you first reconcile your bank account. So you should see something like this. So let's select the bank. Let's put in an ending balance. I'm going to use the same balance that was here. So that's what you're going to use. And let's put the date as 12/31/2017. Let's start reconciling. And so again, this step will have to be done before you reconcile any other transactions in the system. So you can see actually it's found the journal entry that we created, the opening balance entry. So it's matched it up against this transaction that we uploaded on the left. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to reconcile this, and you can see now my cleared balance is the same amount. My difference is 0. So I'm going to finish this. And I have a bank reconciliation report. This report you'll see every time you reconcile. And that's pretty much it. So now you've created that statement that matches with your opening balance entry. You've got a beginning balance that matches your opening balance. And then from here going forward, you can reconcile your transactions in the system.